At dawn, colossal harvesters begin their precise work across endless strawberry fields. Precision harvesting. Advanced robotics gently collect each perfect strawberry. Advanced harvesters meticulously gather nature's bounty, ensuring every strawberry meets the highest standards. Freshly harvested strawberries begin their rapid journey to the state-of-the-art processing facility. The journey begins as freshly harvested strawberries arrive at the state-of-the-art factory. A breathtaking cascade of millions of strawberries begins, flowing onto the awaiting conveyor. Upon impact, the robust conveyor belt gently catches and transports the berries forward. With precision and efficiency, millions of fresh strawberries are now ready for the next stage of production. Freshly harvested strawberries enter the colossal automated washing system, beginning their purification journey. Advanced sensors and precise water pressure ensure every berry is flawlessly cleaned. Every single berry emerges pristine, ready for the next crucial stage. This state-of-the-art washing system ensures unmatched purity and quality for every strawberry. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect every strawberry, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Laser beams and high-resolution cameras meticulously scan each strawberry for defects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Targeted jets of air swiftly remove any imperfect berries, maintaining impeccable quality standards. Only the finest, perfectly sorted strawberries continue their journey down the production line. From subtle blemishes to precise color, every detail is analyzed with microscopic precision. Rejected strawberries are carefully collected for alternative uses, minimizing waste. Large monitoring screens display real-time data, ensuring optimal sorting performance. The vast optical sorting hall operates with unparalleled precision, ensuring top-tier quality. Precision engineering flawlessly prepares each strawberry for its journey ahead. Inside the massive machine, thousands of tools await their precise task. A mesmerizing ballet of automation unfolds, ensuring perfect preparation. With surgical precision, each strawberry emerges pristine, ready for the next stage. The decapping line stands as a marvel of modern, large-scale automation. Robotic arms demonstrate gentle yet firm guidance for each berry. Human expertise ensures peak performance for these state-of-the-art systems. A constant, clean stream of decapped strawberries fills hygienic containers. The decapping station represents the pinnacle of automated fruit processing. Precision engineering takes over, preparing each berry for its transformation. A synchronized ballet of machinery guides them toward the advanced slicing banks. Inside, razor-sharp blades descend, transforming whole berries into uniform slices. Thousands of strawberries are sliced into perfect uniformity, a testament to industrial innovation. Advanced robotics swiftly identify and remove any imperfect slices, maintaining peak quality. The immense machinery operates with seamless fluidity, processing fruit at unparalleled speed. The industrial slicing station ensures every strawberry becomes a perfect, uniform slice, ready for canning. Conveyors now ascend, carrying the vibrant harvest towards its next transformation. Then, a cascade of red descends into the gleaming depths of the colossal cooking vats. The cooking and mixing hall reveals an impressive array of these monumental vessels. Inside, the controlled heating transforms the fruit, preparing it for preservation.
Batch 7 requirements met. Initiating Phase 2 cooling protocol.
From the colossal vats, rich, sweet steam ascends, filling the vast hall. Automated lids descend, sealing the precious fruit for optimal cooking conditions. Through advanced automation, vast quantities of fresh fruit are expertly prepared. Robotic arms provide swift, controlled oversight over the crucial cooking processes. A final visual of the entire cooking process, vast and meticulously controlled. Automated systems initiate the delicate cooking process, infusing strawberries with shimmering syrup. The meticulous stirring ensures perfect flavor infusion and even heat across every berry. The preheated syrup, delivered through a meticulous network, ensures optimal temperature control. Workers meticulously oversee the advanced control systems, guaranteeing peak production quality. The journey begins as ripe strawberries enter colossal cooking kettles, transforming into sweet preserves. Each berry's transformation is a delicate process, absorbing the sweet essence of the syrup. The meticulous process ensures each strawberry reaches its peak tenderness and vibrant ruby red hue. Automated precision ensures even cooking, perfecting the texture and flavor of every batch. The entire batch radiates a uniform, inviting quality, ready for the next stage. A symphony of steel as countless cans begin their journey. Precision engineering guides each can through an intricate labyrinth. Gleaming surfaces reflect the future of food preservation. Human innovation powers this monumental industrial ballet. Colossal rotary machines precisely fill cans with our premium strawberry blend. Precision piston fillers dispense the rich strawberry blend into each can with flawless timing. Each can is filled with an identical, perfect portion of delicious strawberry mixture. Hot strawberry mixture is continuously supplied, ensuring an uninterrupted flow. Each can is a testament to precision and automation. Our state-of-the-art machinery operates with breathtaking efficiency. From raw fruit to perfectly filled cans, our process ensures quality and efficiency. Advanced automation guides each can precisely, ensuring perfect alignment for the crucial sealing process. Lids are swiftly placed, forming a temporary cover before the final hermetic seal is applied. Each can emerges with an airtight seal, meticulously engineered for ultimate preservation and safety. This precision engineering guarantees freshness and extends shelf life, delivering quality worldwide. Robotic precision orchestrates the loading of countless cans, preparing them for sterilization. Seamlessly, robotic arms transport thousands of cans to the awaiting sterilization chambers. The massive, pressurized retort doors begin their powerful closure, securing the contents. Across the facility, multiple advanced retorts hum to life, ensuring product safety and quality. Upon completion, a controlled burst of steam signals the end of the critical sterilization phase. In a blur of motion, labels wrap around each can with impeccable speed and alignment. Multiple lanes of cans are labeled simultaneously, demonstrating the immense scale of this modern facility. Robotic precision ensures every label is flawlessly applied, a testament to advanced automation. Precision machinery ensures every can is perfectly placed, ready for its journey. From individual cans to bulk shipments, automation handles every scale. Layer by layer, cases are stacked, forming stable units for global distribution. Ready for protection, the pallet moves towards its final packaging stage. Securely wrapped, each pallet stands ready for efficient global distribution.